Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Chrome and checking extensions and profiles because unwanted extensions or a different profile often force Yahoo Safesearch. First, go to Menu More Tools Extensions and disable anything unfamiliar. This stops immediate interception. Once done, open Settings Search Engine to inspect your default provider. Make sure it reads Google or your choice. If you see a managed setting, sign out of any synced profile that isn't yours and restart Chrome to clear session flags. Next, you remove Yahoo entries and reset permissions so Chrome can use your preferred engine. Go to Settings Search Engine, Manage Search Engines, click the three dots next to Yahoo entries and choose Remove, then set Google or another trusted engine as default. Make sure to clear cookies and site data for Yahoo. Com and related domains in privacy and security so saved preferences don't reapply. Finally, reset site permissions for search sites to revoke any forced filters before testing a new search. To finish, perform a final cleanup. If Safe Search persists, use Settings Reset and Cleanup Restore settings to their original defaults to remove hidden policies. You should also run a reputable anti-malware scan to detect browser hijackers that re-enable Yahoo Safe Search. If that still fails, check your router's DNS settings for forced redirects and change to a trusted DNS. Make sure to reboot devices and test searches. If something goes wrong, re-enable extensions one at a time to isolate the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.